Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to do another makeup tutorial as I haven't done one in quite some time. Sorry about that. I'm going to first jump in with some primer and put it on my forehead, my cheeks, my nose, and my chin and just blend it in. I'm also putting some on my eyelids as an eye primer because at the moment I don't exactly have eye primer. Now I'm going in with my BB cream and I'm going to put it in the same exact spots: my forehead, my cheeks, my nose, and my chin. And the reason why I'm using BB cream is because I don't exactly want it to be super full coverage, but at the same time I do want to wear some sort of foundation. Now I'm going in with an Age Rewind foundation, but I'm using it as concealer. I'm going to put it on my chin, my forehead, and underneath my eyes. And I'm just going to blend it in. I'm using it as concealer because at the moment all my concealers are just not working for me, so I'm using this as kind of a substitute. Now I'm going in with my Urban Decay Troublemaker palette, and I'm going in with the warm dark brown, and I'm just going to put it on top of my eyelid as just one whole color. I am, however, going to use some more colors on that lid because it's kind of just one blob. Now I'm going to take some red, very mute red, and just put it underneath my eyes as kind of just to add dimension and going for that Instagram Tumblr girl look. That did not make any sense. Those are two different social media apps, April. Now I'm going in with the white and just putting it on top of my lid, just a little bit smaller than the blob. And I'm also going to go in with a skin color trend, like one of those light beiges, and I'm going to put that on top too. Now I'm going with the Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm just going to put that on my top and bottom lids just to kind of make my eyes look bigger and just, I don't know, brighter, if that makes sense. Now I'm going to take an eyebrow pencil and just put it on my eyebrows. I'm not going to make an Instagram fade because I don't feel like that look would fit very well with the whole look I'm striving for, which is kind of natural, kind of not. But yeah, just cover your whole brow in pencil. I'm sorry, I'm really bad at explaining stuff. Now I'm going to take the palette Cover FX and I'm going to use their blush, and I'm going to put it on my cheeks, my nose, and my other cheek. And I'm just going to blend it in. I'm not going to make it super vibrant as I'm kind of keeping it low-key, a low-key look, I guess. And I'm going to take the highlighter, a very rosy highlighter, and put it in the same exact spots just to make the whole look a little bit more rosy, if that makes any sense. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. This is the finished result. If you guys want, you can follow me on Instagram and make sure to subscribe.